Shalom Aleichem, my dear friends and students and followers and even the haters out there. How are you all? I hope you are doing amazing. I hope the high holidays went by and that you started the year the right foot and you only have good to report. I hope. After a long absence, I was in America for 2 months for a long tour the whole summer. Many of you met me. And after that, the high holidays. So Baruch Hashem, always busy. But now it's time to go back to normal, and there's a lot to do. And therefore, I have a few very important announcements. The first announcement is that exactly in a month is Hanukkah. And we start preparing. We start preparing for the power, for the day, for the light that is going to come down at this wonderful holiday. And Hanukkah is a holiday for miracles. So very soon it's coming Rosh Chodesh Kislev. The month of Kislev is the month of miracles. So we're going to work hard towards getting our miracles in our life. So with that, I am going to do a live lecture this coming Thursday. It's going to be at 9 p.m. Israel time. So depending where you are in the world, you're going to have to look at the time difference. But it's going to be 9 p.m. Israel time, which is going to be, I believe, 2 p.m. in Eastern time. And that means that it would be 11 Central time, West Coast, Los Angeles. So, and you make the calculation. It's 9 p.m. and it's going to be Rosh Chodesh. Thursday night is Rosh Chodesh Kislev. Kislev is a powerful month that brings spiritual light for rejuvenation, for starting new beginnings, for turning negative to positive, to bringing miracles in your life. Kislev is a very powerful month. So this coming Thursday, 9 p.m. Israel time, I'm going to go live on YouTube. You can find the link under this video to the upcoming lecture, the live lecture, which you can put a notification and YouTube will let you know when I'm going live. From my experience, sometimes that link when I come to the actual live doesn't work and we start a new feed, a new live. So what I suggest that if you don't find the lecture, just go to my YouTube channel and don't go to the tab where it says videos. A lot of people are asking us, where do I find the live videos? So you have to go to the live tab. If you go to my YouTube, you'll see there's a tab for videos, and that's the regular videos that we load online. And then there's a tab for live. There's a tab for shorts where we load all the short videos. And then there's a tab that says live. Go there and you'll see the lecture, 9 p.m. Israel time, this coming Thursday. It's going to be Rosh Chodesh Kislev. The lecture is going to be amazing. Be'ezrat Hashem, I'm going to try to keep some time at the end so I can take questions from the live crowd that's on the call. And don't miss out, because I'm also going to address another very important thing. I've been teaching for the last few years that there's a very powerful remedy brought by Rabbi Chaim Palaji, a great Mekubal who lived a few hundred years ago. And he explains that if from Rosh Chodesh Kislev till the last candle of Chanukah, you do not complain about anything for a whole month plus, you don't complain, then he guarantees you're going to see a huge miracle in your life. Whatever it is, whatever you need a miracle in your life, it's going to happen. And what does it mean not to complain? Come to the live lecture on Thursday. I'll explain, I'll elaborate on that. If you missed the live lecture, of course, you'll find it on YouTube right away if you can catch it later. And if you want more information about this remedy and about everything that's going to happen, then visit the webpage that the link is under this video. I believe it's either atzmut.org/Kislev or Rosh Chodesh Kislev, one of the two, I don't remember, but the links are always underneath the videos. Go to that page because it's going to have the schedule for the live lecture. It's going to have all the information about the Rosh Chodesh Kislev remedy. It's going to have information. We're going to have a very special prayer on Rosh Chodesh. I'm already preparing you for that auspicious time. And on that page, you'll have more information. If you already want to submit already names, we didn't quite decide exactly where the prayer is going to be. So that's going to come very shortly. But just know that on Thursday and Friday, Erev Shabbat, we're going to have a very special prayer. And as usual, you can submit names and all that good stuff. But I'll let you know. So keep following. And more important, please share this video with anyone that you know. Everybody needs to know about it and take action. So I hope to see you this coming Thursday. Mark it down on your calendar. And again, if you missed the live lecture, then just go to YouTube and you'll find it there under the live video tab. But visit the webpage where you can find all the information so you can prepare the right way. Many times people tell me, oh, you post the video the last minute. Okay, so I'm hearing your advice and I'm posting the video 4 days in advance. So it gives you enough time to prepare, to visit the page, read what you need to do, but follow my advice, or better to follow the advice of Rabbi Chaim Palaji. And I'll elaborate on that in the class. But when you don't complain, I know from the past, I've been teaching this for years, and every year somebody comes to me and tells me I have followed this remedy and I saw a miracle in my life. And I'll elaborate what does it mean not to complain for a whole month. But we all complain all day long. I don't have enough money. I don't have a wife. I don't have this. I don't have that. This is bad. This is my boss is bothering. The neighbor's annoying me. All day long we complain. And the trick here is that instead of complaining, the whole month needs to be taken to praise and thank Hashem. And I'll explain everything in the video. But come to the live video Thursday night. This coming Thursday, 9 p.m. Israel time. The links are under this video. Share this video, and I'll see you on the live video very soon. Shavua Tov, Chodesh Tov, Bezrat Hashem, and we're going to have a great event on Thursday. I'll see you then.